Fasting and exercising and modifying my diet are yielding weight loss results. But there are still some foods to stop eating. Tonight, I'm going to talk about 5. Hey everybody, I'm James the Fasting Dad. Today is day 20 of my fast. And I wanted to talk a little bit about foods that I was eating that I've since given up because they were causing me to gain weight. Number 1 is sugars. It's a pretty obvious one, I know. But sweetened drinks, putting sugar in my coffee, I'm going to talk a little bit more about coffee later on. Sweet snacks, even sugars in fruits if you're eating too much of them. And I'm not saying fruits are bad, but if you're gorging on fruit, the fructose in them is. It causes inflammation, and especially high fructose corn syrup. Number 2 is processed meats. The quantity and quality of these really do matter. You can have a little bit of lean turkey versus having a fat-filled pastrami with salts all in it. It's very different. So is how you cook them. If you're having bacon, for instance, you want to cook it till it's just cooked. You don't want to burn it. If it's crispy, it's going to be bad for you, actually. Burning any meat is bad for you. You don't want to do that. You're introducing carcinogens. If you're getting something out of this, please drop a like. It really helps me grow the channel and hopefully helps someone else achieve their weight loss goals. Number 3 is booze. I don't drink alcohol at all, but you might. And if you do and have more than 1 or 2 a day, it's causing you to gain weight. Not just the calories, but the way the alcohol actually interacts with your stomach and liver. Number 4 is gluten. It triggers inflammation, even if you don't have celiacs. So be mindful of what you're eating and how much. Number 5 is dairy. Don't put milk into your coffee or cereal. Cream is actually better for you. What about cheese, you might ask? I love cheese. I'm not saying give up cheese. It does cause inflammation, but the bacteria in it is actually really good for you as well. So in moderation. If this is the kind of content you like, please let me know down in the comments. And if you want to know more about intermittent fasting, click this right here. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.